from a BNN number. Today I will tell you to make your own fruits flashcard. What we are waiting for? Let's get started. So you need A4 size sheet with 2 colors and cut them with help of your mama. You need a punching machine and make a hole here. So it will look like this, and I have some fruit cutting and I will paste them. Look, I pasted all the fruits on flashcards. So I have this cutie keychain with strawberry. I've already here strawberry fruit. It's funny, but now I will arrange all the cards on this cutie pie keychain. I arrange all the flashcards in the strawberry keychain, and it's looking cute. I think you say yes. So thank you for watching. See you next time and bye.